My name is Rin and I'm from Tottenham, but I'm an alumni from Dulwich College. So today I've been working with a production team. I've been working to a client brief. I've also been interacting with customers, interacting with the crew members, editors, production crew, the cameramen, all of that. I'm working with tripods, different mics, and different cameras that are not conventional to the DSLRs that I'm usually familiar with. The most eye-opening experience is just working with this amazing team. Like honestly, it's been a real pleasure to be working with this team. All the team has been very friendly, approachable, and it's a good atmosphere to work in. The main takeaway from today is being able to work to a client brief while using really high-tech equipment, and also the teamwork and cooperating with the team members within the group, and also taking away some editing skills that I've obviously will use in my day-to-day life. Oh yeah, this experience will definitely encourage me to pursue a career in media and film.